All right, we had someone leave beginning of the month, which was right over here off of one right there, and now we have somebody that wants internet over here. So we just took the equipment from one location and put it to the other. But the thing is, their GFI plug will not reset. No matter what we do, it will not reset. Red light come on, indicating it's got power, but it will not reset. So the client has gone to the hardware store to get a drop cord for a temporary setup of power. And matter of fact, he's just coming back, and as soon as the park comes out here and fixes this, then he can unplug it and plug it in there and turn it on and be ready to go. But we're gonna get them internet today. All right, he got the drop cord. We got it plugged in. We got the radio CPE up here programmed for this site. Now we're doing the air cube that we have in here. I'm gonna change the name on it and see what Wi-Fi name they, the password they want, and we'll go from there. So let's get this thing up and running. Let's log into it. All right, we got that one up and running. Got the password, put one in there just temporary until I ask them what they want in there as a password. Now it's time to put up the tools. Let's do a speed test. They're supposed to have 25 down and 1 up. Right, supposed to have 25, give a little buffer like 25-30%. So we're looking good. I think it's 25 and 2 up. I have to look at the package, but either way, they got their speed. Looks good to me.